What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. I have another monthly update for you guys. This is the month of October 2020. If you've been following along, you know that I like to do these monthly updates so you guys can see exactly what I've been selling and what I've been selling it for. So I'm going to go ahead and list it out. If you guys like these sort of videos, give me a like so I know that I should keep on doing them for you. So I'm going to go ahead and list out those items now. First is a Honda CR-V headlight, $375 plus $30 shipping. An Audi Q7 wheel, $300 plus $50 shipping. Jeep Compass taillight, $100, $10 shipping. Jeep Wrangler climate control, $65 plus $8 shipping. Audi S3 headlight, $350 plus $25 shipping. Volkswagen GTI fog light, $75 plus $10 shipping. And an Acura MDX fog light, $120 plus $10 shipping. That total is $1,385. $143 was what the buyers paid to ship all those items. I only paid $135 to ship all the items. That brings the total after the shipping to $1,393. And then subtract 13% of the eBay fees, which is $181. You end up with $1,212. That is what I made after the fees and after the shipping. Everything's been subtracted. In this month, I've sold 7 items, and that equals $173 average price per item. If you guys have been following along since the beginning, it's pretty much right in the middle of everything that I've been doing. It's pretty much the same amount of parts I've been selling and the same amount of money. I'm just doing this on the side, so I'm happy with any extra money I make. So, you know, I might not look like I'm really killing it, but it's doing good for what I need. So that is the monthly update for October 2020. Give me a like if you guys like these videos, so I will keep on putting them out for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.